Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a transparent header in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. To add a transparent header, first you need to log into the dashboard. After logging in to the dashboard, go to the Divi. Now select Theme Builder. Here you can see I have added a global header and footer. So I will edit the global header. At the top here you can see the header settings. I will click on the settings of this section. Now go to background. Here you have multiple options. At the end you can see transparent. Click on it. Now in design you can change the layout, inner shadow. Just click on this tick button and click on these three dots and save. Now after saving, click on this arrow and then click on all changes saved. Now go to the pages, open a page to view. Now here you can see the header turned into transparent. That's how you can add a transparent header in your WordPress website using Divi theme. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.